Hello guys, this is Amjid Basham and here is the introductory video of this series. This series is a great opportunity for the beginners to cover their basic programming skills. Here in this series, we will start from the basic codes and then we will move toward the complex coding. Here in this video, I'm just going to show you how to install Turbo C++. That is the ID that which is going to be used in entire video series. And then we will also give an overview to the interface of Turbo C++. Here I have downloaded the setup of Turbo C++. It is an MS version and Turbo C++ 4.0 version is with. And I'm going to install Turbo C++ 4.0 version for this video series. If you have not downloaded this one, then I'm going to get you the link in the description. So let's begin it. After this, I'm going to click next, then agree, and after this, install. Right after clicking the install, then it will get start installing, and it won't take that much time. And it's a small program, not that much heavy. And here it is installed in my PC, and just going to finish it. And this is the icon after OC++ after the installation. Now after that I'm going to just give an overview to the interface of Turbo C++. Here it is. If you open it in the beginning or first time, then it will just start with a with some source code. Means these are predefined source codes of DOS or Snap libraries, which will just show or get us a preview of a rainbow. And it is a little complex, but don't worry, you will get this all when we start from basic, then move from the complex coding, and we will be covering these all functions whatever is used in this program as well. So let's begin with the interface of Turbo C++ by checking out the file section. Here in file section we have some means options as new to open a new page to start coding and build your own program. Then after that, open means when you have coded a program, then you want to open that one, then go for clicking open, and there is the shortcut for at F3. Save, F2 means if you want to save it, then go for pressing F2 or just click the save button. Save as, save all. Change directory means the change folder. Friend to friend the section, or then after that quit means if you wanna go for end of or just shut down the Turbo C++, then go for pressing Alt plus X. Here in data section we have undo, redo, and cut, paste, copy, and clear. For undo, we don't have Control Z, rather than we are having Alt plus backspace, and for redo, there is Shift plus Alt plus backspace. Likewise, for cut, copy, and paste, we have different shortkeys from MS Word, here and Turbo C++. Besides these, we have some more options as search, run, compile, debug, project option, or Windows, or else. Here in else section, if you want any sort of if you can press F1, or you can go by pressing the F button in the corner. And we will be discussing these all sections later on. After this means we have lots to do in this series. We will be covering each and everything for you guys, so you should not be worrying if you have any confusion or problem here in this video. I'll be just starting a program or your first program, how to take a new file or new page in Turbo C++, then how to start coding, how to add functions, and what is function, what are the libraries. These all things will be discussed in upcoming videos. So inshallah, in next video I'll be just starting from the basic and make you a journey to the complex coding. So for this video it's enough, and goodbye until the next video. Thank you.